The idiom cream of the crop is a fascinating expression that refers to the very best of a group or category. When we say someone or something is the cream of the crop, we mean they stand out as the top choice, the highest quality, or the most exceptional among their peers. Imagine a farmer who has a field full of crops. After a season of hard work, they harvest the best produce, those ripe, juicy tomatoes or the sweetest corn. The cream, in this case, rises to the top, symbolizing the finest selection. This idiom has its roots in agriculture, dating back to the 19th century, when cream was literally the richest part of milk, rising to the surface. It's a perfect metaphor for excellence. Let's look at some examples in context. Picture a job interview scenario. You might say, after reviewing all the applicants, we found that Sarah is the cream of the crop. Her experience and skills are unmatched. In this case, you're emphasizing that Sarah is the best candidate among many. Or consider a sports team. If a coach says, this season, we have the cream of the crop in our lineup, they're highlighting that their players are the most talented and skilled in the league. It's a way to express confidence in their abilities and potential for success. Now, when should you use this idiom? It's perfect for situations where you want to highlight superiority or excellence. Whether you're discussing talent in a workplace, quality in products, or even the best performers in a competition, cream of the crop fits seamlessly. Just remember, it's informal, so it's best used in casual conversations or less formal writing. In summary, cream of the crop is a vivid way to convey that something or someone is the best of the best. It's a phrase that not only enriches our language, but also connects us to a historical context rooted in agriculture. So, the next time you want to praise someone or something for being exceptional, don't hesitate to use this idiom. It's a classic expression that never goes out of style.